Across every corner of the globe, tools serve not only as an extension of human work, but also an embodiment of efficiency and innovation. Zhejiang Lanlong Technology Company Limited is located in Dongyang, Zhejiang, with a modern production workshop covering an area of 10,000 square meters. Specializes in lithium iron power tools, integrating R&D, manufacturing and sales. Powered by innovative technologies and precision manufacturing, we deliver dependable lithium power solutions to the world. Lanlong has built a deeply vertical industrial chain. We exercise full process production control covering in-house plastic injection molding of housings, brushless motor production, stable battery pack encapsulation, and rigorous final assembly. Adhering to an efficient, precise, and scalable production system, we deliver flexible OEM and ODM customized solutions for global partners. Quality stands as our foundational principle. All products undergo multi-stage inspections, from raw material intake to finished goods, to guarantee every tool is safe and long-lasting. Lanlong complies strictly with the International Management System standards. Its over 30 national patents originate from continuous investment in R&D and an unwavering commitment to consistent quality. Innovation takes tangible form in our diversified product portfolio here. Whether fulfilling OEM orders for global clients or expanding our proprietary brand Lanlong worldwide, we strive to be trusted partners via superior product quality and prompt customer support. We do not merely manufacture power tools. We empower more efficient working practices worldwide. Lanlong, elevate your work to excellence.